The BMW i8 is more than a car. It's a vision of the future, sculpted into reality. At the front, the low, wide stance and signature kidney grille are flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights, giving it a look that is both futuristic and fierce. The sculpted lines cut through the air with purpose, flowing into aerodynamic curves that make the i8 seem alive, even at a standstill. The doors rise upward like wings, a dramatic statement of innovation and performance. The wheels, bold and lightweight, are engineered for efficiency and style, while the paint finish, whether shimmering in metallic tones or glowing in matte, reflects light like liquid, giving the car an otherworldly presence. From the rear, the floating taillights and layered design speak of advanced aerodynamics, precision engineering, and undeniable drama. Step inside and the future greets you. The seats hug you in luxury, upholstered in fine leather and crafted to balance comfort with athletic intent. The cabin feels like a cockpit, driver-focused, immersive, and cutting-edge. The dashboard flows in sweeping lines, a perfect blend of digital innovation and minimalist elegance. The infotainment system glows with clarity, responsive and intuitive, seamlessly connecting you to the world while keeping focus on the drive. Controls are positioned with instinctive precision, and the steering wheel feels sculpted for command, every input sharp and immediate. Carbon fiber accents remind you of the technology beneath, while ambient lighting casts a futuristic glow, wrapping the interior in atmosphere. The BMW i8 isn't just a sports car. It's a statement. A car that fuses performance and efficiency, luxury and innovation, elegance and speed. It's not about the future arriving someday. With the i8, the future is here, and it's breathtaking.